Prepare to be left breathless. We're about to uncover the planet's most mind-boggling giants, the top 15 largest trees on Earth. Buckle up for a journey that will take you to the most remote and breathtaking corners of our planet. From towering canopies to ancient gnarled trunks, these incredible trees will capture your heart and ignite your sense of wonder. Number 15. Doorn fir. Taking the 15th spot is a real showstopper. The Doorn fir, located in the heart of Oregon, USA. This stunning tree is a sight to behold. Its towering height of 327.43 feet will leave you speechless. Estimated to be 450 to 500 years old, imagine standing beneath its majestic branches. The Doorn fir is just the beginning of our journey through the world's largest trees. Its grandeur sets the tone for the natural wonders that follow. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible trees. Number 14. Centurion. Stepping up to the 14th spot is a true Aussie giant, the Centurion. This towering eucalyptus tree in Tasmania, Australia, is a force to be reckoned with. At an incredible 329.72 feet tall, it's estimated to be around 400 years old. Imagine the stories this ancient tree could tell. The Centurion is a marvel that will leave you in awe. Its massive trunk and sprawling canopy are a sight to behold. The Centurion's sheer scale will leave you feeling tiny. Number 13. Chihuahua Giant. Deep within the rugged landscape of British Columbia, Canada, a natural giant awaits. Meet the Chihuahua Giant, a colossal tree that stretches 331.36 feet towards the sky. This western red cedar is estimated to be over 2,000 years old, leaving all who witness it utterly breathless. This incredible wonder is a must-see. Imagine standing at its base, craning your neck to take in its towering majesty. The Chihuahua Giant is a truly humbling experience. As you gaze up at its towering form, you'll feel a deep connection to the natural world. The Chihuahua Giant grandeur is a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet. Number 12. Taine Mahuta Meet. Taine Mahuta, the Lord of the Forest, in Waipua Forest, New Zealand. This ancient kauri tree stands at 333.01 feet tall, and its age is estimated between 1,250 to 2,500 years. Its massive trunk and sprawling canopy evoke a sense of reverence and wonder. As you stand before Taine Mahuta, you'll feel the weight of history and the magic of the forest. The tree's ancient energy is palpable, inviting you to step into its sacred space. Taine Mahuta grandeur will leave you breathless and yearning for more. Number 11. Wisteria. Step into the enchanting world of the wisteria tree, nestled in Sierra Madre, California. This stunning sight will captivate you with its vibrant purple flowers and impressive 334.65-foot height. Planted in 1894, this vine has been thriving for over 130 years, creating a magical atmosphere. The wisteria tree's breathtaking beauty will leave you spellbound and inspired. Let its majestic presence transport you to a world of serenity and wonder. In the wisteria tree's shadow, time stands still, and magic becomes real. Number 10. Bhutan Cypress. High in the Himalayas, Bhutan cradles a natural treasure, the majestic Bhutan cypress. This towering tree stretches towards the sky at an incredible height of 336.29 feet, with an estimated age of 200 to 825 years, making it one of Bhutan's oldest giants. Its rugged, snow-capped peaks provide a breathtaking backdrop for this giant's grandeur. As you gaze up at its towering form, you'll feel the thrill of discovery in one of the world's most enchanting regions. Number 9. Nimina Logaral Mina. In Western Australia's sun-kissed landscapes, a towering giant awaits. Nimina Logaral Mina. Standing proud at 337.93 feet, this colossal eucalyptus is estimated to be over 300 years old, showcasing nature's untamed beauty. Its massive trunk and sprawling canopy are a testament to the region's untamed beauty. As you stand before this giant, the rustling of its leaves and the scent of eucalyptus will transport you to a world of raw, unbridled wonder. Number 8. Rainbow eucalyptus. Deep within Indonesia's vibrant rainforests, a kaleidoscopic wonder awaits: the rainbow eucalyptus. This colorful giant boasts vibrant bark and stands at 339.57 feet tall, with an estimated age of 50 to 100 years as one of nature's fastest growing trees. As the light dances across its trunk, the colors seem to shift and shimmer, creating a mesmerizing display of natural beauty. Get ready to be dazzled by this unforgettable tree, a true masterpiece of Mother Nature's artistry. Number 7. Yellow Meranti. Hidden within Malaysia's vibrant rainforests, a golden giant awaits discovery: the yellow Meranti tree. Standing tall at 341.21 feet, it glows like a beacon and is estimated to be around 150 to 200 years old, highly prized for its beauty and durability. As you gaze up at its towering form, you'll be struck by the sheer magnitude of this natural wonder. The yellow Meranti radiant presence is a testament to the magic that awaits in the world's most breathtaking forests. Number 6. Juggernaut. Prepare to be awestruck by Juggernaut in British Columbia, Canada. This stunning Douglas fir stretches towards the sky at 342.85 feet, with an estimated age of 600 to 700 years, enveloping visitors in peace and tranquility. Imagine walking beneath its sprawling canopy, feeling the soft rustle of its leaves and the warmth of its sheltering shade. The Juggernaut's grandeur will envelop you in a sense of peace and tranquility, reminding you of nature's incredible beauty. Number 5. Hyperion. Behold Hyperion in Redwood National Park, California. As the world's tallest tree, this coast redwood reaches an astonishing height of 379.1 feet, with an estimated age of around 600 to 800 years, inspiring awe in all who visit. Imagine walking in the shadow of this natural wonder, feeling the misty veil of the forest and the awe-inspiring presence of a true giant. Hyperion's towering grandeur will leave you breathless and inspired. Number 4. Sumaumera. Deep within Brazil's lush rainforests lies Sumaumera, reaching an impressive height of 344.49 feet. This Amazonian wonder is around 200 to 300 years old, embodying tropical beauty. Imagine standing before its massive trunk, feeling the energy of the forest and the warmth of the tropical sun. The Sumaumera's towering presence is a reminder of the magic that lies just beyond the edge of our everyday world. Number 3. Tennessee Treehouse. Nestled in Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee Treehouse stands transformed into a whimsical retreat within its branches at 346.13 feet tall, estimated to be over 100 years old, offering fairy tale charm. Imagine escaping to this treetop retreat, surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature and the majestic beauty of the Smoky Mountains. As you step inside, the rustic charm and cozy ambiance will make you feel like you're living in a fairy tale. Whether you're a nature lover or an adventure seeker, the Tennessee Treehouse is a must-see destination. Number 2. Lagoa Christmas Tree. Imagine walking into a winter wonderland, surrounded by the vibrant spirit of Brazil. That's what it's like to experience the majestic Lagoa Christmas Tree. This incredible tree stands tall at 347.11 feet. And when the holiday season arrives, it transforms into a dazzling spectacle of lights and colors. I can almost hear the sound of laughter and carols filling the air as people gather beneath its twinkling branches. It's a truly magical experience that will leave you feeling merry and bright. Number 1. Servim, and the crown jewel of our countdown is the majestic Servim, located in Sequoia National Park, California. This gentle giant is the largest tree in the world by volume. Standing tall at 347.11 feet, Servim is estimated to be over 2,000 years old, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. Imagine walking in the shadow of this natural wonder, feeling the rough texture of its ancient bark and the energy of its enduring presence. Savim is a reminder of the magic that awaits us in the great outdoors. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world's largest trees. If you've enjoyed this countdown, be sure to share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.